And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 183. Let me show you how you can use grids and guides with the pen tool. So sometimes you want to create, let's say, a basic shape or at least straight lines. And when you do that by hand, you're going to run into a couple of problems. So it's a good idea to use a grid. For example, you can press Ctrl R, that blends in the rulers, and then you can left click drag these guidelines out of there. And once you've got what you want, you can activate the pen tool. Let me give that a stroke color. And by default, it should already snap to these corner points. And now we have a perfect rectangle. So when you want to create these straight lines, maybe you want to use a guide, but also make sure that under view right here, the guides are shown. So when I click on hide guides, they're gone. And when I click on show guides, you can see them. So hide guides should be visible, and then you should be able to see your guides. And also you can see I've got the defaults active for snapping, especially snap to point and smart guides. That's usually what you need. Let us clear the guides right here. I'll press Ctrl R yet again. You can also use grids and simply activate it right here using show grid. So that's the default grid that you can see. Let us use the pen tool again. And I try to create a rectangle. Looks fine, but if I zoom in, you can actually see it's not fine. So we haven't really hit the lines here of the grid, so the snapping didn't work properly. And that should also be active by default. So you have to do something else, and it's right here under view, snap to grid. This should be active too, and by default that isn't. So make sure to activate that when you show the grid and you want to use it. So once again, view and then snap to grid. And if I create a rectangle now, you can see it perfectly snaps now to my grid. You can also hide it here again and unsnap it, and then we're back to the default. And that's usually it. That's what you need to create these straight lines, and be sure that you've got perfect positioning and perfect angles. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.